Hi, I'm Liz Watkins and this is a short video about my trip to Liverpool for their 10th anniversary weekend celebrating 10 years of urban sketching in the city. Let's start by taking a little look around. Here's everybody meeting up at the Metropolitan Cathedral on the Friday afternoon. I spent a bit of time having a little look around and decided to draw the view from the back of the cathedral. At the other end of Hope Street there is the Liverpool Cathedral, and there was an exhibition of Anish Kapoor's work. This is a sketch from the top of the Fact building looking across the rooftops. On the Friday evening there was a launch of a book compiled of lots of sketches of Liverpool which the team have been working on for 2 years. On the Saturday morning there were a series of workshops. The one I was given was down by the waterfront. We did a series of exercises looking at big shapes and also line detail. One of the artists even had one of the local seagulls take a great interest in their painting, and they managed to fit them into their picture too. Many thanks to everybody that came along. We've been really lucky with the weather over most of the weekend, but on Sunday the rain came. There was time for a little more sketching and then the group photo on the steps of St George's Hall. Here's a little flip through the Liverpool Urban Sketchbook. If you'd like to know more about it, I've put a link in the comments below. Thank you for watching.